It is now 6:15. Rolling through the airport in Memphis. Headed to Stockton, California, to Stockton Trap and Skeet to shoot the opening Helice tournament for the year. Wish me luck. Oh, headed to Phoenix. That's a good flight. Full flight. Now we're getting ready to board into Sacramento. Last leg of the flight. Let's board. Good morning. So, my name is Brady Hyman, and I came all the way from Mississippi to shoot at the famous Stockton Trap and Skeet Club. We're having the first sanctioned tournament of the year out here for ZZ Bird and Helice, and come to show them what we got. Also, big shout out to Mossy Oak today for a little bit of sponsorship. They put me up with a few shirts to wear out here. This is their new Tibby line, the Bottomland Sand. So Mossy Oak Camouflage is made in West Point, Mississippi. It's where it's where I'm from, and it's where I shoot out of. And they got some awesome hunting gear. You know, if you're into whitetail hunting or any type of camouflage, duck hunting, you know, they do all that sort of stuff. But big shout out to them for hooking me up with a couple shirts. Let's get to it.
21. I got 2,000 now. 21. We go 21. I'm out of being now 21. Anybody else? Sold $2,000. All right. Scott Robin. Right here.
2,000.
2,000.
2,000. Scott Robin.
And it was Kenny Joseph.
Kenny Joseph.
All right. I got 1,000. 1,100. I got 1,000. 1,100. Card. Oh, card. Card draw.
Well, that wraps up today's shoot. Day one, Stockton Gun Club, Stockton, California. Great facilities. Not such good weather starting this morning. Had a lot of fog, got a late start. Didn't shoot well, but coming back for day two tomorrow. Stay tuned. Day two, Stockton Gun Club for the opening Helice tournament. Big shout out again to a little clothing sponsor, Mossy Oak. Have their new Tibby line camo on. Looking good out here in California. Yesterday was tough. A lot of great competition. A couple people. One guy shot 30, 29s. Stiff competition. Didn't do too hot yesterday. Shot 19. Looking to improve that today, but we do have foggy conditions out, as you can tell. Yeah, stay tuned. Well, that wraps up the weekend shoot here at Stockton Gun Club. Came out from Mississippi to check it out and see what it's all about. And man, it was some stiff competition. A lot of great shooters here, good hospitality, all around a good time. Didn't really shoot as well as I wanted to, but you know, better luck next time. So after a long, hard day of shooting, came to San Francisco to visit a friend of mine, old Mickey Patel, and we came all the way, and guess what he has? Commodore Bob's glasses. Woo!
Cheers.
So we're having a little whiskey and about to head down to San Francisco and check out the city. Cheers.
Cheers.
Where are we headed, Mickey?
Dude, we headed SF, the city, baby.
Oh!
We headed to the city.
This is a yellow line train to San Francisco.
San Francisco. So we're in this all-electric, self-driving car, Jaguar.
Oh, we do gotta put our seatbelt on.